Hey, it's David Cinelli here, Realtor with Royal LePage Signature. Today's Home Tip Tuesday is to have your heating systems inspected at least annually. Chimneys, fireplaces, and heating equipment are the leading causes of home fires. So protect yourself and your family and have them inspected at least annually. Like we said before, chimneys and fireplaces and vents are being inspected to make sure that the soundness of them, make sure there's no deposits throughout, and also if there's enough clearance to make sure that there is no risk of fire. While the inspector's there, you should also check the chimney. As you know, chimneys need ongoing maintenance to make sure there's no seepage of water that comes into the chimney. And while you're there, you should also check to ensure that your chimney has a cap. That cap helps prevent animals from crawling in that are trying to seek warmth, and they can also cause a house fire. So stay safe this winter season and have your heating systems inspected. Have a wonderful day.